so we're on our way to, what's the name of this place?
I don't know.
Toby Keith's
Oh, is that a
Bar and
five-star?
Grill.
A five-star?
Well, I don't remember if Robert went here or not, but I know Robert Falk did.
So here we are in Oklahoma City,
Okay, so we're
and we had just finished our rally in
filming more when we get there.
San Antonio, and Richard Rios, who was one of our attendees, ended up in Oklahoma City at the base where we were at, and we decided to go downtown to walk around and see the brickyard. And he had already been down there, and we had seen a little bit also. But we went down to Toby Keith's to eat and walk around the brick town. And some of the things that I noticed that were really interesting to see were the water taxi that goes around the city. It's about $11 or $12. It's kind of like San Antonio, but not on the same scale. And so anyway, let me tell you a few of the things about Bricktown. It's industrial chic. Bricktown is a lively entertainment district with it's got repurposed warehouses, warehouse spaces, home to restaurants, piano lounges, and wine bars. It's the eclectic mix of shops that sell clothing, home decor, and specialty food items like gourmet condiments, handmade chocolates, and the water taxi takes you all along the canal for tours and dinner cruises. Did you know that Bricktown is situated just east of the downtown business district in Oklahoma City? And this was the very first warehouse and distribution center established shortly after the famous land run in 1889. Among some of the other things that we saw while we were in Oklahoma City, we stayed at Tinker Air Force Base. And when we went off base, we went and saw the Myrid Botanical Gardens, which, if you're interested, you can go back and see our video on that. And you can go and see the Oklahoma City Memorial. Well, it's the National Memorial. And it's all about the bombing that took place there at the Federal Center. There's a National Cowboy Museum, Cowboy and Western Museum there. They have an Oklahoma Zoo, and they have a theme park. They have the Chickasaw Bricktown Ballpark, and they have some games that they play there on a regular basis. You'll see them in some more video there. There is Brickopolis, which is an entertainment. It says the Boathouse District, and I guess they have stockyards. If I'd known they had stockyards, I would have gone and seen the stockyards. So let's see, what does Wikipedia say? Wikipedia says that it's 50 square blocks, bounded by the Oklahoma River on the south, and Deep Deuce District to the north, whatever that is. Let's see, the history: 4 railroad companies had freight operations east of Santa Fe tracks in what is now Bricktown in the late 19th and 20th centuries. The first brick structures were typically 1 or 2 stories, appeared between 1898 and 1903. Larger brick buildings were constructed between 1903 and 1911. The tallest brick building was built between 1911 and 1930, and working class houses were built nearby. Oklahoma City's first black newspaper, the Black Dispatch, located in Bricktown, reported on the struggle to end racially segregated housing in the city. Let's see what else it says here. The city contains a number of public sculptures and murals, including the monument to the Oklahoma Land Run and the Centennial Land Run Monument. Large bronze sculpture by artist Paul Moore at the south end of the Bricktown Canals, south end of the Bricktown Canal. commemorates the land run of 1889, which marked the opening of unassigned lands period to settle. And there is now a city park open 24 hours a day year round, and admission is free. And I'll go so far as to say, if you get a chance to go over and see this, it is very majestic looking. It equals that which is in Dallas, which is one of the largest that I've ever seen until I saw this one. But if you'd like to see that, you can go and look on our website, and you can see the land run features and statues that are out there. It was very relaxing to walk around Bricktown, and I think we were there on the weekend. I was talking about the river walk. I was comparing it to what we had just seen in San Antonio. But we had an enjoyable time. It was worthwhile going to see.
So we're walking back now. We had our fill of food, walked on the river. Time to go back.
So anyway, when you go to Oklahoma, I hope that you go downtown and you see Brickyard, Bricktown, Brickyard, whatever. Something bricks. There's a lot of them down there. Driving around the city is pretty interesting too, because it's a maze of activity, always something going on. For sure, go and see the Myra Gardens. That was really worth going to see. So thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back and see us again. And if you like what we got, hit that like and subscribe. And we'll see you out there on the road. Thanks for watching.